Are you expecting RMB payments from China and wondering how to receive the money in Zambia without delays or high bank charges? Maybe you're doing business with Chinese suppliers, offering services to clients in China, or getting paid commissions, and they want to pay you in RMB. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable way to receive RMB payments from China in Zambia. Let's get started. Receiving RMB directly into a Zambian bank account is not always simple. International bank transfers can take several days. Fees can be expensive, exchange rates are often unfavorable, and sometimes payments are delayed due to compliance checks. For business owners, slow payments can affect operations and cash flow. So, what's the solution? Instead of relying on slow international bank transfers, you can use a trusted payment agent who understands both Chinese payment systems and local Zambian payment methods. That's where I come in. I help individuals and businesses receive RMB payments from China and convert them into Zambian kwacha quickly and securely, whether the sender is paying through WeChat Pay, Alipay Chinese bank transfer. I handle the process professionally and ensure you receive your money locally in Zambia. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Share the details of the RMB payment you're expecting. Step 3. The sender makes the payment in RMB using the agreed Chinese method. Step 4. I confirm receipt of the RMB funds. Step 5. I process the equivalent amount to you locally in Zambia. Simple, fast, reliable. Why choose me? I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and cross border transactions, transparent rates with no hidden charges, fast processing times, professional communication, a strong reputation built on trust and consistent service. When dealing with international currency conversions, trust and accuracy are very important. I treat every transaction with seriousness and professionalism. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through unofficial platforms. WhatsApp only. If you want to receive RMB payments from China in Zambia safely and efficiently, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your international payments smooth and stress-free. See you on WhatsApp.